Hey guys, quick tutorial how to play Moonlight Sonata, and this is in C sharp minor. So I'm gonna show you the intro of this. So first, in your left hand, you'll need your first and your fifth and your first finger. So C and then C. After that, you want to put G sharp, C sharp, and E. You see, your fingering really counts. Even if you have small hands like me, you have to make sure it spreads out fast. So you can't be doing this. So like, you can't make it a. See, you can't take your time to do it. It's gonna affect the song. So watch this. And then next we have A and A. So. And let's see to put this part. So A, C sharp, and E. So you see that? So you need A and A, 5 and 1. So A, C sharp, and E. And then after that, you'll need F sharp and F sharp. So F sharp and F sharp. So this F sharp and F sharp. Okay, and you'll need to do A, D, and F sharp. So good. Now let's do a quick replay on this, okay? This might fall down because it's fine. And now you have a G sharp chord, so I'm going to G sharp and G sharp. As you can see here, see that? It's pretty easy to learn the song. Now you can see C and C harder stuff, so see it? And then okay. Now this main part is how people know it's Moonlight. So because if you hear this, let me put it one more time. And then oh my bad. I see this first line, you can tell. And then somewhere in the song, this whole process repeats. So you always want to stay on the low bass, like right here, the low bass. And you don't want to be in middle C. I don't know if you can see it properly, but this is middle C, as you can see. That's middle C. You want to be down here, so it's back here. Okay, I guess you can't see it, okay. So this is Sonata and C sharp minor, and this is the introductory video and explanation.